everybody. Michelle here from Limitless Bossability. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, building an online business, or generating a passive income, then this channel is for you. So click subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I release a new video. So I want to serve you with as much actionable content along with some tips, tricks, and strategies to become successful with affiliate marketing without going down those rabbit holes that you go down when you sit down and start working on your business. God knows I've been there. So the first thing I want to do is explain what affiliate marketing is, okay? So I'm going to take you through a few slides here. Hopefully you can see my screen. Let's see. All right, so what is affiliate marketing? Basically, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make, okay? Basically, that's what affiliate marketing is. If you don't have any product of your own to sell, but you want to sell a product, you want to, again, make a passive income, earn money online, you can sell other people's products until you create a product of your own, okay? So that's basically what affiliate marketing is. How does it work? All right, well, to make money with affiliate marketing, you're provided a link by the company that you're promoting. You promote your link by driving traffic to your link to make sales. You receive a percentage of the sales as a commission. So that's basically how it works. So the most popular one that most people know about is Amazon. Okay, everybody knows Amazon affiliate program. Most people know about Amazon affiliate. Well, I think the highest commission Amazon gives is about 10%. So it's not a lot. A lot of their products during the whole pandemic, they reduced a lot of their commissions from like 8% to 1% or 3% or 2%. So they went down a lot on their commissions on certain products like household products and things like that. So, but we'll go through a couple of the programs so you can kind of see some of the other programs that are out there, okay? All right, how can you find products to promote? All right, so most large companies offer an affiliate program. The most popular one is Amazon affiliates, as I just mentioned. But you want to check most sites at the bottom of their website to see if they offer an affiliate program. Here's a few examples. So I'm going to give you a few examples. All right, so again, this is Amazon. All right, so you go to the Amazon site. You want to scroll down at the bottom. You see here. All right, and you see, where is it? Where is it? I'm not seeing it. There it is. Become an affiliate right here. All right, so this is the button that you're going to select if you want to become an affiliate of Amazon. All right. All right, so Best Buy is another one. Scroll down to the bottom. And you see right here under partnerships, you see affiliate program. All right, so you can be an affiliate of Best Buy. Again, they've got some high ticket items. You'd have to go into their program, sign up, join to become an affiliate, wait till you get approval. And typically they let you know what the percentages are that you'll get for each product that you sell. Another one of my favorites where they have an array, so like so many different, is Share a Sale. Now, you might have heard of Share a Sale, but you can kind of search anything here. If you were to click in and type in like wedding accessories, all right, you can see all the different companies that offer you to become an affiliate of their company to sell their products, and it tells you how much per sale you get. All right, and you got keywords here, the different types of, they got like head accessories here, purses, wedding accessories, menswear, fashion jewelry, things like that. So 6%. Oh, here's one that's 10%. Okay. Formal dresses, wedding dress. So that this is a lot of clothing. So if you have a boutique and you're looking to sell other people's products that you want to list in your store, you can certainly do that. If you want to open an Etsy shop or a Shopify shop, you can go to Share a Sale, sign up as an affiliate, and make some commission. Okay. So those are just a few of them. All right. But you can go to Google and look. Tons of programs out there offer affiliate programs. You'd be surprised. All right. So here are a few of my favorites. Okay. So we went on to Amazon. All right. So JVZoo's another one. All right. So basically you log on, create an account. It's free to join. All right. You go to affiliates. You go to product marketplace. All right. And it brings you up here and it shows you all the different products that sell. Now you have to request approval for these. So the company that is selling these products have to give you an approval to sell their product, but you have how many units that they've sold. So look, 116,000 units they've sold of this product. The conversion rate, 8.6, and there's your average price, okay? The commission that you make, 50% commission, 50% commission. So that's pretty good. If they've got a $100 product, you make $50 on one product. So 50%, look at that, 100%, 25%. Your conversion rates are pretty good on some of these. 26.25 conversion rate. That's a really good conversion rate right there. 10.68, 21, 12, 15. So those are pretty good conversion rates, meaning people are buying these products. That's what the conversion rate means. They're buying the products, okay? Another one is Warrior Plus. Again, sign up for a free account and go to affiliate and then offers. Okay, you want to go to affiliate and then offers. And then all of these different products can be sold. And you can see how many sales they've made, 3,000 plus, 1,000 plus, 3,000, 3,000, 2,000. And then the conversion rate, 21%, 21%, 17%. It's a pretty good conversion rate. So you also want to look at the refund rate, okay? Because if a lot of people are refunding the products, it may not be a very good product. My recommendation is to try the product, use the product, okay? It's easier to sell something that you like and you enjoy than something you've never tried and you don't know anything about it. So again, you can sell anything as an affiliate, but it does make it a lot easier to talk about a product, to give a review about a product if you've used the product. So look at your refund rates. Okay, that's a 1% refund rate. That's pretty good. There's your 1%. Okay, 9% refund rate. So I'd be like, maybe not. Maybe I wouldn't try that one. 16% refund rate. 13% refund rate. Okay, so you want to make sure you're checking that. Another one is Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank's pretty popular amongst affiliate marketers. They have an array of categories, so you can pick any kind of category. If you're in the health and wellness, if you're in arts and entertainment, you can do games. So here's your e-business and e-marketing. There's your affiliate marketing, SEO, video marketing. You've got health and fitness. You got beauty, dental, dietary supplements. So pick any one. Okay, so let's see. Diets and weight loss. That's a pretty big category. Oh, I'm going to log in again. Sorry about that. All right, let's try this again. So here we are, diets and weight loss. Okay, now what you're looking for is you're looking for the gravity, okay? The gravity basically is how popular is the product, okay? So the higher the gravity, the more popular the product is, okay? So right here, this one is the top affiliate product here in this particular category, diets and weight loss. Gravity of 378. It's pretty good. The average sale is 44.84. They have the website that you can go and look at, check out the product, okay? And then you have the affiliate page, which has all the resources to allow you to promote, to help you promote the product, okay? So obviously these people, it's their product that they own. So the more successful you are, the more successful they are. Okay, so they're going to give you all of the tools and resources that you need to promote their products. Okay, so that's basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Okay, what is it? Where do you find your products? Okay, and those are some of the best sites that I found. Okay, so I wanted to also give you a little bit of food for thought. So I started a podcast and I'm basically documenting my journey as I go along. Okay. I got caught up in the shiny object syndrome where I was taking so many courses and reading so many books, and I got information overload really, really fast. So I had to kind of step back and gather everything together, kind of put it in a chronological order, if you will. So now I'm taking you through my journey, okay, from step one to now, okay, and maybe you can follow along with me, okay, because you should not compare your step one, your day one, to someone else's day 5,000. Okay, someone that's making millions and millions of dollars. You can't compare yourself to them. You have to compare yourself to somebody that's comparable to where you are. Okay, so basically, the first thing you want to look at and the first thing you want to do is figure out what market are you in. Okay, so that's going to help you get your mind right with making money online and building a business. And if you want to do affiliate marketing, so what market are you in? Are you in the health? Are you in the wealth? Are you in relationships? So those are your three major markets. Okay. I know you're thinking that there's probably a ton more, but there's not. There's three core markets: health, wealth, and relationships. Most products are going to fit into those three categories. Okay. So then you're going to have some sub markets. So for instance, if you picked wealth, okay, I'm in the wealth market. My subcategory is online marketing, online business. My niche is affiliate marketing, okay? So you want to figure out what your market is, what your submarket is, and what your niche is. So if you're in the wealth, or I'm sorry, health, if you're in the health or you're in weight loss, okay? So it would be health, weight loss, and then it could be your niche is weight loss for couples, weight loss for women, weight loss for men, things like that, okay? If you're in relationships, it could be relationships is your market, parenting is your submarket, and how to deal with teenagers could be your niche, okay? How to deal with unruly toddlers could be your niche. So you want to figure out what niche are you in, okay? Because that's going to determine the next step. Now, the next step is who's your customer? Who do you want to serve, okay? So if you had the perfect customer sitting in front of you, who would that person be? All right. And you don't want to say, I want to sell to everybody. I want everybody to buy my product, because as much as we'd love that, it's not possible. So if you're trying to sell to everybody, you will sell to nobody. Okay. So you want to figure out who your customer is. Who is your dream customer? All right. Who is that person? And where do they hang out? Okay. Where do those people hang out? Where do they congregate? So again, going back to me, wealth, online business, affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go and check forums like Quora. I'm going to check Facebook groups. I'm going to check Facebook pages and find out what they're saying. Okay. Find out what my people, what my dream customers are asking. What are their problems that I can help them solve? Like if someone's saying, I really want to get into this affiliate marketing, but I have no idea where to start. Dun, 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 here I come. Okay. That's where I come in. So you have to find your dream customers, and you got to find out where they're congregating, where they're hanging out. Okay. So those are the first two biggest steps. Okay. What is your market? What is your submarket and niche? So what is your niche? And who is your customer? Who are you trying to serve? Okay. So I hope I provided some value here today, to give you some food for thought. If you can answer those questions and you can figure those things out, the rest of this is going to be super easy. Okay. Super easy. And trust me, I'm going to take you through it. Okay. So hit the subscribe, click the bell notification so you know when I release my next video. And join my growing Facebook group, okay? Like-minded individuals like yourself that want to help each other. They're going to share your journey and ask your questions. If you have questions about affiliate marketing or anything that you're coming across, the group is the place to do it. So I'm going to put a link in the description below, okay? Also, if you want to, you can grab the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing today for only $1.99, okay? It's an awesome book, 92 pages. All right, I'll put the link in the description as well. So if you found value in this video, or you know someone that would get some value, please share it with them. Okay, share, share, share. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next video. Bye.